Hi, it's me, kaulitzcarisma, that hasn't been on in I don't know how long. But I hope you guys had a good Christmas. What the fuck is this? But anyway, I hope you guys had a good Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever your darn freaking religion is. But other than that, oh, I wish you a Happy New Year. I just got in from shoveling snow, and it is fucking cold outside. Wanna see how cold it is? Let's go. There you go. See that? Oh, that's gonna be hard to see. Let's go here. To the door. There we go. See that? You see that? Looks horrible, doesn't it? Looks freaking. Let's open the door. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Horrible, isn't it? It's like they keep interrupting with the news because apparently this is a blizzard, and we occasionally keep hearing thunder. So, whatever. Anyway, so you just saw like my house there, like I don't know. But anyway, I don't really know what the point is of this video. I just wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, but it turned into me bragging about the blizzard outside. So I hope you guys are safe, happy, warm, whatever pleases you. But so yeah, I hope you had a good Christmas. Happy New Year, ring in the New Year, and I hope to see you soon.